Hello everyone. Welcome to Garden Glow, your cozy space for all things green and beautiful. If you have a small garden in 2025, don't worry. Smart design goes a long way. Let's start by thinking in zones like a little corner for seeding, a spot for growing herbs, or maybe a vertical planter wall to save ground space. Think about raised beds. They give shape, save space, and just look really good. Also try to add textures: wood, stone, a touch of metal. It brings balance and style. And don't forget lighting. A few solar lanterns or soft string lights can totally transform the vibe after sunset. Small gardens are not about cramming things in. They are about creating calm, functional moments you'll actually use. If you like these ideas, give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below with your favorite tip. And make sure to subscribe to Garden Glow for weekly garden inspiration. See you next time.